guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I'm sorry if you guys can hear some noise in the background. There are people working right now, but I wanted to film this rather than waiting till really late at night when I become loopy to film this. So this week we have a lot of collections. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a monthly, which is quite a lot actually. Is there 5 or is there 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a monthly. Plus we have the Wiggle and some foil releases. So let's go over the Wiggle first. So this week's Wiggle is a black Wiggle, and this is on our premium matte paper. Gorgeous, gorgeous black with the silver. Is going to work with so many spreads, especially around Halloween, New Year's Eve. Even some Christmas kits will look really bomb with this, Valentine's Day. But it is just our normal solid paper Wiggle format. So you have your bottom washi, you have your circle icons, you have your flags and your bows, and then you also have your date covers and your bow headers. So I love this. It is available a la carte if you want to pick them up individually sheets, and then if you want to get them at a bundle price, you can get all 5 for $10. This is available Wednesday and does come down from the shop right before new releases do go live. So that is the Wiggle for this week, which is black with the silver. Then I have some scripts for this week for the foil releases. So these come in all 4 foil colors. This one says meal prep, which was highly requested. Oops, sorry. I just showed you meal prep and a game night. So we have meal prep. We also have game night, another super requested one. There is also barbecue. I think I have my other ones in my organizer. Barbecue, they come in all 4 foil colors, like I said. And then also takeout. So these are just like all of our regular scripts. We have 2 listings for them just because there's so many of them, and I always keep them in the new releases section. So you guys can find them easiest as possible. Ugh, my words today, they're just not working. I do have 1 monthly option for this week. I think this is kind of like an anytime option. I'm kind of feeling it for March. But also could be really pretty in September, just really, I guess, anytime summer. So this is called Plant Mom, and it is a monthly. So this is what the front page looks like. You have your headers for the top banners, and then you have a bunch of deco there. You have your labels page, and then you have your 4 boxes that are continuous, and then you have your 4 full boxes, and then your half boxes as well, and that is the kit itself, which is 3 pages. Our monthly kits, since we've reformatted them, which was I feel like almost a year ago, actually it's probably like 9 months ago, don't have the banner, but we do sell foiled banners that have the month, so these are more customizable, so you can use them at different times if you would like. It also does have 2 a la carte options for the sidebar. There is this one here, which is the functional sidebar, and then this one is the deco sidebar, so you have those 2 options there. I do have a bunch of kits this week. I don't think any of oh yeah, we do have 1 exclusive art collection, so I'll show you guys that one first. So this one features exclusive art that you will not find anywhere else, and this one is called New York Fashion Week, or NYFW. So this is a super cute makeup fashion collection. Obviously, it was kind of like made for the idea of New York Fashion Week, which is in September, but you could totally use this anytime, just if you are a makeup or fashion lover. I love this little flat lay here. It's probably one of my, not flat lay, double box. It's probably one of my favorite double boxes that we have in any of our kits. And again, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. I love the neutrals. It's very like I feel like, especially in fashion. You have another flat lay here with a bunch of different jewelry pieces. You have your little things, your headers, a bunch of deco over here. I just love this. I love all of the makeup items. I'm just like, yes, give it all to me. And then you have your bottom washi there as well. There is also a la carte options for this. So you do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. You have the option if you want to add on the 15mm washi. And you also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is the ultimate kit for New York Fashion Week. And I just love this kit so much. I love the details in it. I just love how fashion-y it is, but still like makeup-y as well. Perfect again for September, but it could definitely be a kit in your anytime stash. The next, well, I'm gonna show you the mini kit next, but this kit, along with all of the kits this week, do come in a mini kit format. The mini kits are definitely a hot commodity. We stock a ton of them, but we do unlimited stock for the first 24 hours right now. So if you are a mini kit user, definitely buy then, just because we don't guarantee the stock of them afterwards. Some of them do sell out within that 24-hour period. Some of them do make it a little bit longer, but that is our unlimited stock period, just because We like to keep our production as like timely as possible, and we don't like to bite off more than we can chew because we like to keep our processing times super low. This one is called Harvest, which the art for this actually just came out today, and I'm super excited. I love this collection. I think it's super pretty, so it's kind of like another option for Thanksgiving. You guys know we released our custom Thanksgiving art last week, and this one's super cute. I love the neutral colors. So this is the mini kit here, but it also does come in an ultimate kit, and this artist is actually going to be making me fan boxes. She's making me the kids for them, so I'm going to be using, there was like a really cute like tattoo girl, and I'm going to be putting that on the fan boxes as the tall, and then there's going to be a little boy and a little girl option as well, so I will post those on Instagram probably sometime today. So this is called Harvest. Like I said, I really love it. I just think it's super cute. So you have like a lot of different like scenes, but then also kind of like, I didn't want it to be super like Thanksgiving-y, so this is kind of like a Thanksgiving but also kind of just fall themed. So like it's not like Thanksgiving for your whole planner, but you can have like a Thanksgiving box on Thanksgiving. Does that make any sense? But I just think it's super cute, and I love everything about it, and I think this is going to be beautiful with gold. This is the girl that'll be on the fan boxes, and we'll have all 6 options as per usual. The extra box here is a Christmas tree box. I know a lot of people decorate that week or that weekend. I decorate on November 1st and sometimes earlier depending on how I'm feeling. But these are the colors that I picked. I think they're super pretty. I was gonna go with all of the nudes, but I feel like that like gray color kind of brings out this gray color, and it just really works. So I am super excited about this kit here. There is your bottom washi. Love it. I love the like flannel pattern. And then your freebie, instead of the regular Andrea Munchkin freebie, I did do a double box scene, an extra one in case you wanted to replace it for like a full blown Thanksgiving kind of feast look, which I think is really cute. We've never done in any of our kits a like feast that wasn't a flat lay, so I think that's pretty cool. There's also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's also the option of Fashion Girls, which are super cute. There is an option of the glitter headers, which do have that like faux gold throughout, which is really fun, which I've been doing recently. And then there's also the label sampler. So that is the Harvest collection, and the mini kit also does come with this double box as the freebie. And like I said, I will have fan boxes for this collection as well. And if you guys aren't familiar with fan boxes, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the next kit, which does feature fan boxes. So this kit here is called Trick or Treat, and I love the colors of this. Definitely going to be using this one. I think it's super cute. I love the like glow in the dark green color. I don't think I've done a kit. I don't think I have one with a glow-in-the-dark green color. So this is the tall box, which is the freebie. Super cute. I love the girl with like the gray and the magenta colored hair, and she kind of looks like a zombie, which I love. So that'll be both in the mini and the ultimate kit. This kit does also come in a mini kit. These are the full boxes. I just think it's so cute. You have like the little witch here and the little skunk baby, which is just so adorable. I love the balloons. I love the scene. I love the Goosebump books. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan, y'all know. And this could go with a lot of different foil colors. I feel like I didn't pick the orange. Orange would have looked cool in here, but I thought it would be really cool with our Mega Wiggle because that copper kind of goes a little bit orange, or you could even use like orange soda or something. And I feel like sometimes using like a wiggle that not necessarily is one of the colors, but like is in the full boxes, makes that color pop a little bit more and then doesn't fade into the color, so that makes any sense. But I think this is going to look perfect with that. I'm going to double test that. Maybe doing that with some oil slick, or that with hollow would be really cool, or even that with silver. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but there's a lot of possibilities here. Then you have the deco page here, which is super cute. You have your extra full box here, which is just like the Batgirl with the purple hair. I love these colors. Again, you have that kind of like, it's like, it reminds me of like a glow in the dark green, which I'm in love with. So cute little things on our checklist. And then you have your bottom washi, which I am in love with. Let me go ahead and show you guys the 15mm strip. It is a pretty standard, it's not like a black, but it's like a little bit lighter than a black. Super cute, and will be useful for a lot of kids if you want to switch it out for a black 15mm. So that is the ultimate kit. There is options, like I said, for the glitter headers. You want to add those on, and also the label sampler if you want to add that on. And like I was saying before, there is also options for fan boxes. We do usually do 6 of these. So you have the tall box, which usually has a girl in it, and then you have like a little girl and then a little boy here, which is super cute. This one is kind of like, exclusive because this boy is like something that actually, this boy is in a kit that we haven't even released yet. We've used him so many times. I just kind of like used the art from the other girl and put it on his shirt and then made his hair gray, but you'll see eventually. I'll point it out whenever. He was in, I think, like 3 kits already, and he is in a kit that's like coming out in the very far future, and that's where he like originated. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I love this one. So cute. And Bubba's blonde, so gotta love that. So that again is Trick or Treat. So you have the fan boxes, you have the mini ultimate, and the label glitter 15 as per usual. So like I said, the Thanksgiving kit, the Harvest kit, and the Trick or Treat will have those fam boxes available if you guys want to pick those up. Then the next kit here, which this art came out and I thought it was really cute. It's definitely way early for winter, but I just figured it was so cute, and you can pick this up and save it. We're all planner girls here, planner people, so definitely plan ahead. That's what I do. I have most of my kits planned until I think mid-January, and I just kind of like switch them out as like art comes out. So this is the freebie here, and then these are the full boxes. I love the colors in this. I love like the faux like silver throughout. I love the marble. So cute. A ton of deco there with some different girls. I love, look at these colors. Like, just look at them. They're so perfect. You have your extra full box here with the girl. You have your functional page, your half boxes page, your headers page, your little things page, your ombre hair checklist page, and then last but not least, your bottom washi page. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's an option if you want to add on the label sampler, and last but not least, I feel like an auctioneer every time I do this, there is the glitter sampler. So that is everything for sweater weather. I just think it's a super pretty pastel kit. I really love the way that all pastel kits turn out in my planner as far as like how the spreads look. They're some of my favorite kits are the pastel ones, so I'm really excited to see how this one looks. Then let's go into spooky season. So this one's really cool because I really love the amount of purple in this. It also does come in a mini kit. It's a very witchy one. I feel like you could use this outside of Halloween. You could use this in September or even like January. I think March would be cool for this. So this is called Spooky Season. The extra is a tall box of a girl. I love this girl with cotton candy. So this is the kit. I just love the amount of black and purple and the variants of purple. I feel like purple, you know, next to pink is like a really like nice color. A lot of people like purple. I love this. It's so pretty. I just love her hair and like everything. And again, I think you can use this for Halloween if you want to do something spooky, but you could also use this in September, November, January, or it could just be kind of like an anytime kit. So this is the bottom washi. Here is your 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have your label sampler if you want to add that on, and then last but not least, you do have your glitter headers if you want to add those on. We are at the home stretch and I'm only at 13 minutes. I feel like I am a pro at this, if I do say so myself. And the last kit I'm like super psyched about. I was going to make it a monthly, but I was like looking at the art and I was like, and I actually got to meet this artist at my planner party, which was really cool. I have been talking to her for a long time, and I finally got to meet her, and I was like kind of like taken aback because I was like, wait, who are you? Oh my god. So this is called Savannah, and I love this kit. I'm definitely going to be using this kit as a transition from summer to September. Summer to fall, I guess. And I just really love the colors. And it, like I said, I was going to make it a monthly, but I was looking at it more and I was like, this is actually like amazing. Like amazing, amazing, amazing. So this is the freebie here. You have another tall box. I just kind of love the tall box. It really extends the kit, I feel like. I just love everything about this. These remind me of my wedding shoes, actually. These shoes here. And I just really, I don't know, I love the pink with the orange. I feel like it just looks amazing. And then the animals in it as well just kind of really vibe with me. So I did put like a faux gold glitter throughout in here. I just thought that looked really cool. You have your half boxes page, your ombre hair functional page. You have your another girl here with like the owl on her shoulder. I love her dress and her highlight. It's amazing. And then you have your little things page, your headers page, your deco page. You have some more girls here and more animals like the little fox is super cute. And then you have the bottom washi page, which let me show you guys. This is the 15 millimeter strip, which is perfection. And then you have the glitter headers again with that like light gold kind of going throughout there. And then you have the label sampler. Again, I'm going to for sure be using this probably in the month of August, maybe the end of August, first week of September. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to be using this in my planner because I honestly think that like this is going to be a really, really good spread. Like it's going to be one of those where you like, you know, it's a really cute kit. It's really beautiful, but whenever you look at it all lay down, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, it's so perfect. So definitely excited about this one. And of course, this one does come in a mini kit as well. So that is everything for this week. Again, we do have Savannah, which I think, again, is a really pretty, it could also be a really pretty spring kit, though. I don't know, or summer. I don't know. It just could be good for anything. So then you also have spooky season. You have our plan ahead with sweater weather. You have trick or treat with them. Super cute fan boxes. Love those. Actually, really just I love the colors. They're so unique. And then you have Harvest, which again is another Thanksgiving option for you guys. And then New York Fashion Week, which does feature exclusive art that you will not find anywhere else. And then also the monthly of Plant Mom. Again, for the foil options, you do have takeout, barbecue, game night, and meal prep for those scripts. And then you do have on Wednesday this Wiggle, which is today. So at noon Eastern, this will be available in the shop for $10 for the bundle, or you can purchase the sheets a la carte. They are a little bit more, definitely better to get them as a bundle. So that is everything for this week's releases. I hope that you guys like them. I hope that the noise in the back wasn't too wild, and I hope that I didn't talk too fast, but like I try to keep things concise. There'll be pictures of everything on the website on Friday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.